Everyone wants to use GPT-4 for free, but it's only available as a premium plan. You have to pay $20 per month to get access to GPT-4. And if you're using another tool like Microsoft Bing Chat, then there is lot of limitations you can see. You are not able to upload any photos or videos to get data from that. And we can ask simple questions related to ChatGPT over here. So let's ask some questions related to GPT-4. Are you GPT-4? We can see the reply over here. Yes, this is correct. Bing chatbot is powered by GPT-4. So it uses features and functionalities of GPT-4. Okay, but there is another tool where you can access GPT-4 all the features and functionalities for free. So you are in the right place. Go to the Google and search Sincode.ai. The first link you get, just click on that link where you will be redirected to this page. Okay, Sincode, where you have to first log in or sign in your account. So I have already signed in to go to the dashboard. So I'm in my dashboard and you can see all the features and tools are here. So we are going to access here Marvi Chat. You can see Marvi Chat options is available, but let's scroll down and see all the features and functionalities. Business building, workflow, essay writing, Marvin Chat, undetectable AI, content improval, generate code. There are a lot of functionalities and features. Tinder, okay, content, videos generation, lyrics, text summary, again TikTok, everything you will get over here. Okay, so it uses functionalities of GPT-4. Okay, but here in this video we are just gonna see a features called Marvi Chat. Just click on that link. Okay, and you will be in this page. Say hello to Marvi. Okay, you can see the first real-time Google data. Unlike ChatGPT, Marvin Chat is using the latest Google data, is not limited to 2021. Okay, so it uses GPT 3.5 over here, but from here you can access GPT-4 as well. Okay, for that you have to click on the three dot. Here you can select GPT-4 and Google data, then you can just select include latest Google data. Okay, tick mark this and you can ask any questions or you can upload any documents over here. So let's ask some question. Are you a chat GPT-4? It will take some few seconds. Okay, and it will provide you the complete details. You can see the reply over here. Yes, I am a chat GPT powered by GPT-4. So it uses GPT-4. Okay, and you can access all the functionalities and features of GPT-4 for free without paying any money. So it's very useful for all the students or teachers or any content creator. It can help them to boost their knowledge, even they can get content out of it. Let's ask some other question. Write a Java program to add two sum or two numbers. Okay, you can see the code over here. It's in Java. Okay, it has created the complete code. Okay, from the internet. From here it has collected the resources and provided it to you. Just reset it and you can upload the documents from here as well. So just click on this and choose any documents or images or PDF which you want to upload. So simply select that image and click on open. And if you have any query, you want to write any content, you can write here. Submit. You can see the documents are uploaded successfully. Okay, once the documents are uploaded, you can ask any question from GPT-4 in a smarter way. Let's ask some question, okay? The image which I have uploaded, I'm just gonna ask this question as well. Java program of this problem, okay? Enter. It is searching over the Google as well as in GPT-4 as well. So let's wait for the code which it's gonna provide you with the help of GPT-4. You can see the steps it has provided, and we can read out the steps and also access this code. Let's scroll it down, and here you can see it has also provided us the complete code of this problem. Okay, this is the complete code of the image which I have uploaded. So in this way, you can get access to GPT-4 features and functionalities as well. Okay, and you can take the help of this tool to get all the contents from GPT-4. So if you feel like content is helpful, hit on the like button, and if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.